it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I'm based in the UK. I am here today to bring you my April craft box. So my craft boxes I started in January, and I have to say they are going really well. I aim to bring them every month, and for them to be a really good entry point for anyone on a restricted budget who wants to be able to get their hands on quality product. So this month, as ever, the box will cost £20. That includes postage and packing. So it's £20 to you delivered. And the contents of the box this month is, if you were able to buy it in the quantities that I'm bringing it, it would cost £20 and a penny. So you are getting a full £20 of product for £20. So let me show you what we've got, because there's lots of it and it's a bit of a different set this time. So I will start with, it's based on the Petal Passion suite. So let's start with, let's start by throwing things on the floor. Right, let's start with cardstock, because it's the kind of boring bit. So 2 sheets of basic black, 2 sheets of the Stamping Smooth Whisper White, and 2 sheets of the Powder Pink, which is one of the 2017-2019 in colours. Probably better to show them to you that way. So this is for stamping, and then for your card bases, or for matting and layering. I'm also including 10 of the Whisper White note cards. Blech, can't speak. Note cards and envelopes. So 10 of those. So that's the sort of staples, if you like. Then we come on to the more exciting stuff. So we have half a pack, but cut 10 by 12. It's not 10, anything. So it's half a pack of the Designer Series paper. So it's cut 6 by 12. This is one of the ways I managed to keep the cost down, because it will all come to you in a box that fits through the large letter slot. And that means it keeps the postage at a reasonable level. And even though the postage has gone up, I am keeping the postage costs the same. So the patterns are double-sided. I've got both sides here. So we've got some that are good for masculine. This geometric, brilliant for men. So, and again, perfect for men. This one I love for colouring. I did a Inspire Create Challenge project on using this not that long ago, and just coloured it in, and it was beautiful. Again, brilliant for colouring in. So lots of lovely masculine, lots of lovely monochrome colours. Sheets, I meant sheets. So to bring in the pink, I have got half a pack of the Memories and More cards. Now these are double-sided, you're getting half a pack, so I will show you both sides very quickly. So there are some that you can use just as card fronts, there are some that you could use for memory keeping, but I think they could all be used for cards. So if you're a card maker, I think this is perfect for you as well. But if you're into memory keeping or want to give memory keeping a go, then again, I think this would be perfect. And there's masses. So the full pack, I'll bring the details in a minute. So we've even got just some plain, I mean, it's not plain, it's textured plain. The best of everything. So lots and lots, and there's sentiments you can cut out. So if you haven't got the stamp set, then you know I think this is going to be a fab little set. So that's all the Memories and More cards. So that everyone will get that. Now let me show you the picture in the catalogue. So this is the full suite. We'll come back to that page. So in the Spring Summer catalogue, we have the Memories and More. Now, we get 72 double-sided cards, so you'll get half of that. But we also have 2 accent sheets, 2 cardstock sticker sheets, and 2 acetate card overlays. Now, they are not the same, so there are 2 different. So it will be pot luck as to which one you get, but they are. Let me bring in some black to put these against, because the acetate works a lot better on black. So there's 6x4 saying together, or, let me pull the other one out, a 6x4 with flowers. As I say, it will be pot luck which you get. Obviously I can't say choose, because otherwise I'll end up with lots of bits left over. So the die cuts are Lovely Today Hello, or Memories Smile, and then this frame, or these filigree bits. So you will get one of those, and you will get one of the sticker sheets. They've all got floral elements, they've all got sentiments, some have got plain places for stamping, but they're all die cut. So you'll get one of these, not both, one, and it will be pot luck as to which you get. So that's the card, the Memories and More cards. Then you also get half of a set of embellishments, and these are really pretty. Very easy to stick on with glue dots. So, whoops, you don't need to see 2 of those. So either the leaves or the flowers, and as I say, you'll get half a pack of those, so you get 6 of each, so that's 12 in total, half pack. You also get 42 basic pearls, which is these 3 strips, so you get large, medium, and then lots of small, and the small is normally the one that is most useful. You get a full generous, and I tend to cut it at 1 inch over, yard, and I mean yard, not metre, I'm an old school, yard of the shimmer ribbon in powder pink, and the organza from the spring summer in whisper white. Now this you can colour either with your blends or with your ordinary Stampin' Write markers. It takes a bit longer to dry with the Stampin' Write markers, and then it's obviously not set with the Stampin' Write markers. With the blends it would be set because they're alcohol, but you can colour this, but perfect to go with the set. So that is the basic set. Let me just check. Yes, designer series, paper embellishments, Memories and More, the cardstock, note cards and envelopes, ribbon, pearls. And that, if you could buy this, all of this, in these quantities, that would cost you £21 and a penny. Sorry, £20 and a penny. It's the one is confusing me. So that is £20 and a penny. Yours for £20. Now to get it, and obviously you get the extra Memories and More cards, accent pieces. To get it, you just send me an email to liz.yuille@artlover, one word, artlover.com. The details are on my blog, which is immediately below. The link for this is immediately below. I'm going to have to cough. So if you go there, you'll find my email address, and just pop me an email and say you want to order, and I'll send you an invoice, and then that'll have the payment options. The deadline for payment being received, and it's important that it's payment being received, particularly if it's cheques, is the 14th of March. Now, if it's a cheque, I need it by the 10th so that I can bank. But everything else, 14th of March. April. So deadline for ordering and payment is 14th of April. If it's a cheque, I need to have that cheque by the 10th of April. There are, as ever, some options that you can upgrade. If you would like some Memories and More pages, so if you want to try memory keeping, you can get the variety pack of Memories and More pages, and that is, let me find it in the catalogue. So you get 12 pages, 5 different designs, and that's £5.50. You can also add on, as well as or instead of, the embossing folders, which are 2 narrow embossing folders, which are gorgeous. There's been some projects on my blog about those, so have a look at those. I want to say birthday wit rainbow card. Birthday wit rainbow card. Used the top one. That wasn't that long ago, so that is an option. They are £8.25. Then you can obviously buy the stamp set. It's a double stamp set, so it's a 2-box set. In Clearmount, they are £32, and that means you can use them with the new Stamparatus, which will come out in the June catalogue. If you get them on wood, they're £42. You can have the dies, which are beautiful. They die cut these. So basically they die cut everything in this set other than the leaves, but there is a leaf that you can die cut, and then there are extra bits you can die cut. So I think that's right. No, it doesn't die cut this one. So it doesn't die, it die cuts the little flower, the little sprig, the roses and the bird, and then some extra bits and pieces. So the dies are £31. If you bundle them, so if you bundle the stamps and the dies together, then in Clearmount that would be £56.50, and in Woodmount that would be £65.50. So those are those. Now, if you want to put any of the add-ons into your order, I will order those in when I place the order for the product that we need for the kit, and I'll post them out to you, and again there will be no additional postage, so it saves you the postage, which standard postage would be for £4.95. So if you are going to want any of these, let me know and I can include those in the box. So what else can I tell you? That's pretty much it. Oh no, I like to, if you order a little bit extra, I like to give you a little bit extra back. It's a little thing, it's just a token saying thank you. You always get my customer thank you card and customer gift as part of the thank you because you've ordered from me. But this month I'm going to add in some metallic foil doilies. They come in a pack of 24. What I will give to you as my gift to you is 2 each of the sizes in silver and gold. So 2 large gold, 2 small gold, 2 large silver, 2 small silver. So that's just a little thank you from me, because I think those would go really nicely and give a pop of metallic to go with the black and white. So there we go. Any questions, any queries, just drop me a note. You can either leave a comment here, but probably best to email me, liz.yuille, Y-U-I-L-L-E, @artlover.com. And I look forward to being able to place the order for you and package all this up and get it out to you. It will be, so let's get that sorted. So the deadline's the 14th. I will then place the order that weekend. It generally takes about a week for things to arrive. Now, the Memory and More cards are currently on back order, so but they are due to be in on the Monday after my deadline, so I have no problem with thinking that they're going to be in time. If they are by any chance delayed, then I will send those out to you separately, and that will be at my additional cost, not yours. But I think we'll be okay. So I would hope to get this out to you by the sort of middle of April, but it is down to delivery. So thank you very much indeed. Any questions, just drop me a note, and I will see you again very soon with some projects using this kit. Thanks a lot. Bye. Oh, no, I should say UK only. Sorry, should say that. Only available for in the UK, because that's basically where I sell. So I will now say bye. Thanks a lot.